Good morning, children. Welcome to math class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of block 20, which is adding two digits with regrouping. Yes, so in this, we have learned how to add the two digits with regrouping in the form of column method, expanded form, and also using the place value blocks. Isn't it, children? So, in the fourth topic, we are going to learn how to solve the word problems. That is the story problem, solving story problems. Okay. So let's see the sum. Solve the following story problems. I have 34 books. My friend has 48 books. How many books do we have in total? Okay, so as it is a story problem, we have to write the statements, children. Don't forget to write the statements. So number of books I have is equal to 34. I have 34 books, isn't it? So I wrote number of books I have is equal to 34. Next, what do you have? My friend has 48 books, isn't it? So for that, what we need to write is number of books my friend have is equal to 48. That's what you have mentioned here, isn't it? Now what we need to find, how many books are in total. So together, how many books do they have together? So total number of books will be equal to, add the number of books you have and your friend have, isn't it? So number of books I have, that is 34, plus number of books my friend have, that is 48. That becomes 34 plus 48. Okay, now we have to do the columns, isn't it, children? So this addition you can do it in your column method, in your place value blocks, or in the expanded form, but the easier one will be the column method. So let's do in the column method. Okay, so for column method you have to make the columns as tens and ones, isn't it? So tens and ones. Yes, so you will write 34, 3 tens, 4 ones. So 3 you will write under T, and 4 ones you will write under ones. Oh, okay. Next, 48, 4 tens and 8 ones. So 4 tens means you will write it under T, 4 8 ones. So you will write it under O, and you have to do the addition. So you will place plus symbol and you have to start the addition from the ones, isn't it? 4 plus 8. Okay, so 4 in your mind, 8 on your fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You got 12, isn't it? 1, 2, 12. That means here you have 10. 1 tens you have, 2 ones you have, isn't it? But we have to write it in ones place. So what you will do, you will take the C, 12. 2 is in tens place. 1 is in ones place. This is 1 tens and 2 ones. But we have to write it in ones place. You can't write both together, isn't it? So you will write 2 here because 2 is in ones place. It is 2 ones and this one is tens. 12, not 1 tens. That you will carry it here in the tens place. Okay. So that's what you will write it down. Now you have 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 becomes 4. 1 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 plus 4 becomes 8. 4 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will write 8. So total number of books they have is equal to 82. Okay, children. So in this way, you need to solve the problems. Yes, let's see the another question. I have 67 red and 45 blue beads. How many beads do I have to make a necklace? So you are making a necklace where you have 67 red beads and 45 blue beads. Yes, you have to find out how many total beads you have. So simply you have to write the statements as it is a story problem. So number of red beads equal to 67 and number of blue beads is equal to 45. So total number of beads you will get it by adding the red beads and blue beads, isn't it? So that will be total number of beads will be equal to number of red beads plus number of blue beads, which is nothing but 67 plus 45. Okay, and we are doing in the column method, isn't it? Let's make tens and ones. So 67, 6 tens and 7 ones. So 6 you will write it under T, and 7 you will write it under O, ones. Now next you have 45, that means 4 tens and 5 ones. So 4 you will write it under T and 5 you will write it under ones. And you are going to do the addition, so you'll put the plus symbol. Now start from the ones place. 7 plus 5. So 7 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 again, isn't it? 12. 12 means 1 tens and 2 ones. So 2 you will write it under ones and 1 you will carry to the tens. That becomes 2 and 1, like this. Now in tens place you have 1 plus 6 becomes 7. 1 in your mind, 6 on your fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 plus 4. So 7 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 you will write it as it is. Okay, that becomes 112. So total number of beads is equal to 112. Okay, so in this way you need to solve the word problems, that is story problems. Okay, so write these two sums in your classwork, and for homework I have given few sums, two sums. Again, try to solve it. Okay, I have given answers in your daily schedule for this. Okay, only the answers I have given. You have to write the statements, do the addition, and that addition, after getting your answer, check with the answer which I have sent you in the daily schedule. Okay, but you need to write the statements and you need to write the do the addition, children. Okay, for both the sums. Okay, so tomorrow again we have only one sum which I'll be sending in your daily schedule as classwork. You need to copy that in your classwork, and for homework you will be writing the volume book S4. Okay, so with that we will be completing our block. Okay children, so in the next class I'll meet you with the new block, children. See you in the next class. Bye.